In a political twist that has left the nation abuzz, President William Ruto played host to a group of expelled members of parliament from the Orange Democratic Movement, ODM, at State House, Nairobi. The leaders included Lang'ata MP Felix Oduwuor Jalango, Bondo MP Gideon Ochanda, Suba South MP Karoli Omondi, Gem MP Elisha Odhiambo and Kisumu Senator Tom Agyenda. The legislators found themselves on the wrong side of their party's disciplinary actions for alleged defiance and gross misconduct. The meeting took place against the backdrop of a recent legal development that temporarily halted their expulsion. The expelled ODM lawmakers found themselves in hot water when they defied the party's official position and were accused of gross misconduct. The decision to expel them from the party was taken last week, leading to their sudden exit from the political entity they were once affiliated with. In a dramatic turn of events, a day before the meeting at State House, the court intervened and temporarily suspended the expulsion of 3 of the MPs, Elisha Odhiambo, Felix Jalang'o Oduwuor, and Kisumu Senator Tom Agyenda. The political party's disputes tribunal issued interim conservatory orders, effectively putting a hold on their expulsion pending a full hearing and determination. The trio of MPs who challenged ODM's directive claimed that their expulsion violated both the Kenyan constitution and the party's own constitution. They argued that the disciplinary proceedings leading to their expulsion were riddled with irregularities and illegalities and did not adhere to proper constitutional procedures. One of the key grievances raised by the expelled lawmakers was the absence of due process. They contended that they were not given a fair chance to be heard, defend themselves, or even informed of the reasons behind their expulsion. This lack of transparency, they argued, rendered the entire disciplinary process flawed, biased, and unconstitutional. The meeting hosted by President William Ruto brought these expelled ODM members into the spotlight once again. While the agenda and outcomes of the meeting remain undisclosed to the public, it has fueled speculation about the potential realignments and political strategies in play as Kenya approaches a crucial political juncture. The meeting between President William Ruto and the expelled ODM lawmakers underscores the fluid and dynamic nature of Kenyan politics. As legal battles unfold and political affiliations evolve, the nation watches with keen interest. The decision by the court to temporarily halt their expulsion adds a layer of complexity to the ongoing political drama. As the political landscape continues to shift, it is essential to keep a close eye on these developments as they have the potential to shape Kenya's political future in the lead-up to the 2027 general election. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to the Kenya News channel.